Hello, students. This module is an extended version of our previous module on plagiarism basics. So particularly in this module, I will concentrate on types and importance of discussing issues of plagiarism. Importance is in entire academic system. The objectives of any academic system, be it Indian academic system, be it education system, be it higher education system of India or any other country, what exactly we try to achieve, whenever we produce some kind of writings, whether it is book, journal articles, or research papers, whatever, it should be qualitatively good, and it should be uniquely contributing, not repeatedly contributing repetition with previous thing. This is the basic objective. Rather, put it in otherwise, whatever we produce, academic writings, maybe book, example is a book. In that case, our writing should be unplagiarized. Qualitative is very difficult to define, and it takes much time. What do you mean by qualitative? Quality productions, quality books. But you can say for the time being it is unplagiarized books. Again, whenever you say your work should not be plagiarized, in simplest sense it is that whatever you write, your idea is not thoroughly copied from others. As I told in my previous, you just leave out this aspect, copying an idea, and you all concentrate on as a student, as a beginner in the field of academics, whatever your by language, whenever you write in language, your language should not be matched with the language written by other authors. This is the simplest sense. Will come in some of the modules of this paper. Then even if it is matched also, it is not copied or plagiarized. This is what. Secondly, importance is that unless and until we give importance to this aspect, probably our writings, academic productivity, maybe the books, maybe the research papers, it will be simply repetition. And if a nation cannot be developed on this aspect, unless or until you do original research, good research, produce uniquely, write uniquely. Again, we are the same thing only. On the book, the titles are changed, and I copied from many other sources. And as this internet online world is a biggest factor rather for the junior authors, those are coming up, young authors, to copy and paste in their writings. Okay, the importance is that. And types, there is no particular consensus rather, types of plagiarism. So if you go by many books are very rare available. By internet, sometimes they 4 types, 5 types. Don't go by that. Simplest one is that they say word by word, verbatim, word by word. Suppose you are writing something and your writings is matched, word by word. What is word by word? I will come tomorrow to your place in case no rain. This is a sentence. Words are matched, stitched in a particular sequence. If this is matched with other writings of others, then there are every cases framing me as case of a plagiarism. This is the simplest sense. And there are many issues. Commonly used sense are exempted, and many cases will come to that in other modules. Okay, so probably don't go by the types. Types is that, and paraphrase also is another type. In somewhere in another module we must have seen in YouTube paraphrasing. There are two cases of paraphrasing. Suppose you are a little clever author. You think I didn't copy as it is words, and I changed a couple of words by using synonyms through the using computer, or then probably my writing is unique. It doesn't match with others, but it's not that. Okay, in paraphrasing you must have seen somewhere paraphrasing in my video also. Then you can know paraphrasing may or may not be case of plagiarized cases. Okay, so hope these 2-3 modules together can give you a clear perspective of plagiarism. Hello.